Hi friends. So today we have came with a new topic, Olympics. So this complete topic will cover up around how Olympic game got started and some of the important facts that you should be known about. So this will be a basic video covering the Olympics. Okay, so let's start on it. Olympics are the games that happens every 4 years. Earlier, it was started in 720 BC around. At that time, it was started in the honor of Jesus, but somehow, after some time, it got stopped because of some religious reasons, and again it got resumed in 1896, and now it was named as Modern Olympics. So the first modern Olympics was held in Athens, city of Greece in 1896. Then the second modern Olympics was held at Paris, city of France. In the second modern Olympics, the women also participated for the first time. So if the question comes up, when women started participating into Olympics, then their first Olympics will be the second one. Got it? Okay. And afterwards, now Olympics are held in two formats. One is Summer Olympic, another one is Winter Olympics, and each of them held at the gap of 2 years. Okay. Um, Maybe some people get confused like what is the gap of 2 years. Okay, so it's something like if this year Summer Olympics is happening, then the next year, next after next 2 years, Winter Olympics will happen. So this is how it is. Okay, so let's come to Olympics flag. So these all games have a flag in which there are 5 rings and all are interlocking, and each of them is representing some continents as well: Africa, America, Asia, Europe, and Australia. So these are all the continents who play in the Olympics with their players, and this ring structure is having a white background, and each of these ring is having specific color as well, that I will go ahead in some time. This logo was this completely Olympics, I'm sorry, it is not logo, it's a flag. So this flag was sketched by Pierre de Coubertin, and why it was interlocking rings, because it shows that how these 5 continents are working together, playing together, their love relationship with each other. So the color of each ring is blue, yellow, black, green, and red. So 5 rings are there, each of the ring is having specific color, and there are 5 continents who are playing in the Olympics. What these colors symbolizes? These colors symbolizes unity, spirit of cooperation, and competition among these 5 nations. I hope till now everything got clear. I'm speaking slow. Plus, you can take the screenshot of these notes and take the printouts. It will help you in your revisions. That's why I'm always trying to put this on my video, so that these handwritten notes will help you. Okay, I'm not using any PPT or computer. The reason is, on single page you are able to get so many topics, and you can take the printouts. It will save your screen time as well. So let's next come to the next topic, that is Olympic motto. Okay, so these all Olympic game was having a flag, as well as there is a motto as well, that is Caesius, Olcius, Fortius. It was given by International Olympic Committee. Each of these three words have a meaning, that is faster, higher, stronger. Recently, one more word has been added to it. It was not there earlier, but recently it got added, that is communitor. And its meaning is together. So don't forget, initially it was only Caesius, Orcius, Fortius, and now one more word has been added, communitor. So this has been added afterwards. Okay, let's go to the next topic, that is Olympic muskets. What are muskets? Muskets are some of the, you can say, symbolic character that has been decided by the hosting country. So who every year a particular country hosts it. Okay, so this Olympic musket is decided by that particular country only. Usually it represents their culture, their heritage, their place. So it totally decided by the host country. For example, recently 2024 Summer Olympics happened at Paris, and their Olympic mascot was Frike, a red Phrygian cap wearing character. So these are some of the most important and common facts of Olympics. I think these will help you. For any questions, you can put up your comments. I'll be happy to help you out. All the best, guys, for your exam. Thank you.